Video number 3. What brands need to know about YouTube Shorts? In an era of Instagram Reels and TikTok, it is important to decide whether we should consider YouTube Shorts. These platforms have caused quite a buzz in the market, and everyone loves them. In this video lesson, find out why brands look out for YouTube Shorts and adapt their digital strategy for the long-run success. The opportunity YouTube Shorts represents for creators is good news for brands too. Why? Because this new and exciting feature is an attempt from the Google-owned platform to recapture the attention of short-form video viewers. Why do YouTube Shorts matter to brands? Despite the benefits of using video content to increase brand awareness, most marketing strategies focus on the more conventional digital channels such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter rather than YouTube. This may be because of the sheer variety and volume of content that YouTube offers, making it difficult to define the platform's audiences and most effective uses. With YouTube Shorts in beta testing in India and the US, brands are ready to reevaluate their use of the channel within their digital marketing strategies. How short video currently works on YouTube. The short videos and stories shelf appears on watch pages in the YouTube mobile app, usually after the first suggested video, which is prime real estate for suggested content. Each video is vertical and 60 seconds or less in length. The videos don't have custom thumbnails and instead use a random freeze frame. When you watch a short video, you're funneled into a TikTok-style play format that keeps moving on to the next video. You can't rewind or fast forward, but you can scroll to the next video. You can engage with short videos via comments, likes, and shares. Any video can potentially appear on the shelf and earn a channel hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. Reasons why you should create YouTube Shorts. YouTube creators say that 6.5 billion people are already watching Shorts globally. It is a great way to reach new subscribers and increase your brand awareness on the platform. One tip is to include value in the short itself, while also pointing towards a related video on your channel for even more value. Reuse your Reels and TikToks. It's doable and will save you more time than trying to think of things from scratch for a third platform. Provide value. Value can come in many forms, whether it's via quick tips, a how-to, something funny or entertaining, etc. Think about the pain points or goals your audience has as they relate to your business and industry. Then tackle those pain points and goals with your shorts. How can YouTube Shorts work for your brand? Video content is highly desirable for brands as it can directly affect the path to purchase journey. Let's find out more ways. 1. Accessibility. An advantage of YouTube Shorts is that it makes video content highly accessible, whether for the creator or consumer. This accessibility is achieved through a focus on content created and viewed through mobile devices. The app has an inbuilt YouTube Shorts camera, meaning that creators do not need access to expensive and specialist equipment to post high-quality content. This can benefit brands from both the creation and reach perspectives. 2. Video search engine. The vast amounts of content on YouTube can be overwhelming for brands when considering how to include the channel in their digital marketing strategies. However, by viewing the channel as a video search engine where consumers search for content based on their interests, we can build a clearer picture on how to place content in the right way. 3. Content library. Since YouTube Shorts will be added to your channel library as well as the designated Shorts itself, they will be accessible to anyone at any time. YouTube Shorts allow people interested in your brand to view your content forever. The main advantage is that this creates continuity for audiences who are new to your brand or channel. They can also lead users to more detailed content and help to connect them with your brand. 4. Test the waters. Creating long-form video content can be a big investment in both time and resources. It can be daunting to put so much energy into untested ideas that you hope audiences will connect to. This is where YouTube Shorts can be an excellent tool for testing new content or brand image concepts. Shorts are fast and easy to make, and brands can quickly identify whether content has hit the mark with their consumers whilst taking only a small risk. Drawbacks. Brands have less control over how their content is initially presented to their audience. Additionally, despite some videos not being designated as shorts by creators are automatically included on the shorts itself. This is problematic as brands don't yet know enough about YouTube's selection process for shorts, which may lead to frustrations about a lack of control over where videos are featured. A major concern for many is around the uploading of popular TikTok videos to the YouTube Shorts shelf by people who are not the original creators. This can lead to plagiarism and frustration. Will Shorts be a good opportunity for brands? With the current popularity of TikTok and Reels, brands are well on their way to mastering short-form video. So they might be less intimidated to create shorts and more willing to repurpose their existing short-form content there, at least until the official ad options are released. The important consideration for brands is a seamless conversion experience. If Shorts end up providing a non-intrusive path to purchase for consumers, we can expect brands to invest heavily. Shorts is currently a level playing field for eyeballs, although bigger creators will have the advantage of more insight into what an audience will respond to. To find success, you'll need to publish consistently, so you'll need a programming or content strategy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.